Japan's secret to superior mobility may not be what you think. Before we begin, tell me your age and which part of your body feels stiff. As you can see on the screen, the data from Mobility Research 2024 clearly indicates a significant improvement in patient outcomes. We're about to begin. Let's start with number 7. Number 7 is the wave stretch, a gentle spinal movement used widely in Japan. It sends hydration back into the discs and helps reconnect your spine's natural rhythm. Begin at the tailbone and let the motion travel upward, one vertebra at a time. Number 6 is the Shinrin neck release, inspired by Japan's forest therapy principles. Neck tension restricts mobility and can trigger headaches and shoulder stiffness. Use tiny, slow tilts, just a few degrees, to release tension safely. Keep the motion light and smooth. Small movements do more than forceful ones. Number 5 is Kansetsu joint circles, used across Japan for daily joint maintenance. Start with slow circles of the wrists and elbows to restore smooth joint glide. Roll your shoulders forward and back to open the upper body and reduce stiffness. Finish with knee and ankle circles. These boost circulation and balance. Number 4 is Hara breathing, a deep-rooted Japanese practice for inner strength. The Hara refers to the power center just below your belly button, where movement begins. Deep breathing activates the diaphragm, improving oxygen flow and posture. It also stimulates the vagus nerve, signaling the body to relax instantly. Number 3 is the Japanese hip flow, designed to unlock hip tension and energy. The hips are often called the aging switch. When they stiffen, everything slows. Start with easy hip circles, letting the pelvis move freely in each direction. Then shift your hips side to side, or these small flows restore balance and mobility. Number 2 is the Tori stretch, a simple move that opens the chest and expands the lungs. By lifting and spreading the chest, this stretch restores natural openness in the upper body. Lung expansion. It allows the lungs to fully expand, improving oxygen flow and easing shallow breathing. This movement naturally resets posture, lifting the shoulders and opening the heart space. Light twisting reactivates the spinal joints, improving flexibility throughout your back. Keep the twist slow and comfortable, allowing each segment of the spine to follow smoothly. This motion boosts circulation around the organs, offering a light detoxing effect. These Japanese movements work together to support longevity and daily ease. From your spine to your joints to your breath, each exercise restores natural function. When practiced daily, these gentle techniques keep you mobile, balanced, and energized. Small movements done consistently lead to big improvements in how your body feels. Now it's your turn to choose the movement your body needs most. Which movement does your body need most? Comment below.